Hi, it's Youcook here. Today I will be preparing caramelized catfish and fish sauce as promised in my previous video. I will be uploading this recipe. It is one of the most popular dishes one will find in the south of Vietnam. It often prepares along with the sweet and sour soup Canh Chua. Some prefer to cook with lots of liquid and use cucumbers to dip in the sauce. I especially like to have mine a bit on the dry side with caramelized or with a glazed appearance. I'm gonna go ahead and marinate my catfish with 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 Thai chili. Then set aside for about 15 minutes before you cook. On a pot, add 1/8 cup of brown sugar. When the sugar caramelizes, add in minced garlic and mix both ingredients. I just noted my pot is way too small for my fish, so I'm gonna go ahead and use another pot and transfer the rest of these ingredients over. On a new pot, I transfer the fish from the old pot over. If you notice, the fish turned a little bit light golden brown. That's because it picked up the caramelized sugar. Then add in more black pepper and chop ngò gai and ngò ôm. Some people use cilantro and green onion. You can do the same as well. Everyone makes this type of dish a little bit different. And here it is. The fish should be cooked on a salty side and balanced with its sweetness. If you like spicy, add Thai chilies. Some would squeeze a little bit of lemon over the fish. Again, Vietnamese usually prepare this fish along with the sweet and sour soup Canh Chua. This recipe brings out the classic and traditional Vietnamese delicacy of its rich and flavorful taste. My children love the Vietnamese sweet and sour soup. To have it along with this type of caramelized catfish. I hope one day the younger generation can watch my video and follow the recipe so they can cook for their family. That's it for this caramelized catfish and fish sauce. I hope you enjoy watching my video. Thank you so much for your time and support. Until then, bye now.